The camera's on.
Hey everyone, this is Mark, this is Lori. Lori, say hi.
Hey.
So I just wanted to say thank you. I appreciate all the support for the book. It's been really mind-blowing. It's been humbling. It's been incredible. I think Lori wanted to sit in, or she agreed to sit in this video to say a few things, so I'll let her have it from here.
No, well, this is not my video.
But what are you supposed to say? Keep smiling. The camera's rolling. I'm not stopping it.
Mark, listen.
I'm not stopping
You
it.
said I was the one that was supposed to
People
say
are
thank
going to
you.
say this is cute, but I'm not stopping it.
You said I was supposed to say thank you.
Okay, so go
You
for
wanted
it.
to say something else.
So say thank you.
Thank you.
So here's the thing. A lot of people are wondering what it's about, and I think that may be just a mistake in my messaging because I didn't make it clear. What the book is about is helping you get restarted. It's really more of, okay, I'll be honest and I'll be candid. It's something that I wrote when I was wondering, well, I was going through some really low places in my personal life, low financially, low in ministry and business and relationships, coming right out of a divorce is when I started it. And it's because I didn't really have anything that I felt guided me down the spiritual path and the work path that I needed to go down. And so, again, being quite honest, I asked God to give me some ideas and give them to me in such a way that I would not only learn those lessons, but learn to teach other people so they wouldn't have to go through the pains that I went through. So it's sort of the book that I needed when I was going through some things. And so it applies no matter where you are. So if you're looking for direction to get where you are now to a better place in life, it's for you. It's a manual. You'll find that it's about 2/3 story, exposition, talk, and then there's a part that I'm really proud of towards the back. About 1/3 of the book, maybe 1/4, is exercises. So there's a bunch of exercises you can go through to help guide you, to help guide your thinking, to help guide your prayers, just to help you get a stronger sense of direction. In fact, I will tell you, I don't remember the start of the chapter, but when I started this book, I think my bank balance was negative 67 cents or something. And that's right there in the chapter. I kind of give my personal testimony. I'll tell you the first time when God really started to turn my life around, I actually recall scraping together change to get to church, to feed my daughters, to just have some hope. So anyway, that's what I wrote it for. I wrote it so that people can have some hope and can have some direction. Now, I'm obviously working on a financial book. Most of the times that you guys write me, you're asking me for financial advice and direction. Don't have everything figured out. Lori and I don't have everything figured out in that area, but we have a few things figured out, and I certainly think we can help. So that's coming. So I'm going to look for your prayers and your support on that. But right now, I really just want to say you should get this book. I didn't plan on making this a sales book. I just wanted a sales video. I just want to let you know what it's about. It's about helping you get restarted. It's a manual, simple as that. It's help you get direction. So that said, most importantly, I'm appreciative of the support. It's been a great, quick outpouring, especially considering the fact that a lot of you didn't really know what it's about. You supported me, and so I'm grateful for that, and I'm also grateful that the initial feedback from those who are reading it has been overwhelmingly positive, in fact. So I appreciate you for that. Lori, is there anything else you wanted to say?
I would say buy it, read it, apply it to your life, and I do think it will be a blessing.
Yeah, no doubt. So you hear Abby over there barking, which means there must be somebody on the street. Forgive us, we don't have a professional studio and we don't have a lot of professional experience doing video. But I figured out how to get the camera to work, and I said to Lori, we're going to literally just do something. We're right at 4 minutes, so I'm going to stop it now. Thanks all.
Bye.